Railways are often called the lifeline of nation, but what happens when this lifeline itself is at risk? Every year, small faults in track fittings unnoticed, which is untracked also, which can lead to big accidents costing not just money but also precious human lives. As the saying goes, safety is not expensive, it is priceless. And it is the priceless safety that Indian Railways must safeguard. Yes, and what's our proposed solution means? Our answer is Safe Track, which is track can talk. Can AI powered laser based QR code engraving system for railway track fittings. Imagine every clip, every bolt, every fastener carrying its own unique digital identity, permanent tamper proof, weather resistant marks, all linked to a central brain with every scan that maintains its own system, which also does not record, it learns. Yes, it doesn't record, it learns. It predicts failure before they happen, alerts authorities in real time, and ultimately saves lives. Laser engraving is no longer science fiction, it's tested industrial technology. What about QR codes, which are simple, fast, universal, and when powered with AI, they transform from mere marking into guardians of safety? Yes, there's an initial cost, but what is the cost of life? In the long run, safe trace, which means track that can talk, means fewer accidents, fewer delays, and a future ready Indian Railways. Socially, lives saved, confidence restored, economically, reduced cost faster, decisions stronger, and growth very brighter. Environmentally, less waste, lower carbon impact, more sustainability. For passengers, it means trust. For authorities, it means control. For the nation, it means progress. Yes, this is the real benefits and impact of tracks that talks. As the quote reminds us, the railways are not just steel and tracks, they are the arteries of a nation's heartbeat. And protecting them means protecting every journey, every dream, every life. So, track that talks, safe trace where innovation means responsibility. Securing tracks, saving lives, shaping the future of Indian Railways.
QR code generation and mobile application by Team Infratech case. Our mobile application tracks the talk. It's very useful for every track fittings details. This QR code holds about the warranty, vendor, manufacturing details, and everything about the individual track fittings so that every track fitting has its own unique identity. The QR code and the track fittings will be engraved at the manufacturing place itself so that after manufacturing of a individual track fittings, the QR code is also engraved, which makes a manual process simpler and easier. The mobile application is directly connected to UDM and TMS, which is very often using software by Indian Railways Unified Data Monitoring, so that the individual track fittings details will be traced in the UDM software. Once the QR code is engraved and the mobile application is implemented, it will be very useful and simpler to do work for the trackman, because in the current scenario, these works are done by the trackman manually and also noted the records in the Excel sheets. After implementation, every track fittings maintenance, warranty, and manufacturing details will be traced at the UDM software. And even a public can also make a complaint after seeing the track fittings with low cost maintenance. A small fix today can save thousands of lives tomorrow. So this solution definitely going to create a big impact if it is proposed.